I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a card to your Xbox. First, power on your Xbox console and go to the main dashboard. From there, open the Settings menu, which is usually represented by a gear icon. Once in Settings, scroll down and select the Account tab. This section holds all your personal and payment information. Next, choose Payment and Billing to proceed with adding your card details. Now that you're in the Payment and Billing section, select Payment Options. You'll then see an option to add a new payment method. Choose this to begin the process. The system will prompt you to select the type of payment you wish to add. Select credit or debit card. Carefully input your 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the 3- or 4-digit security code from the back of your card. After entering your card details, you'll need to provide your billing address. It's crucial that this address matches the one associated with your card statement to avoid any issues. Double-check all the information you've entered, including the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address, to ensure everything is correct. Once you're confident, select Confirm or Save to finalize adding your payment method to your Xbox account. With your card successfully added, you can now use it to make purchases on the Xbox Store, whether it's for games, subscriptions, or in-game content. Remember, you can always go back into the payment and billing settings to manage your payment methods, including removing or updating them, whenever you need to. Also, for those looking for quality, check out Darn Tough Socks with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to these and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.